Anybody else also punches their keyboard when you're typing, when you're using hand tracking? No, just me? Okay, I'm sorry for that new addiction. How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'm gonna go ahead and show you 10 amazing things that your Quest 3 can do, and some new experimental features to definitely check out. So sit back and relax and let's get started. So as you saw me earlier, I was punching my keyboard, but did you know you could use Swift to type? That's right, just like our smartphones, you can actually Swift to type. And to activate this, you'll find it in the settings section and just go into experimental tab, and right down here, just make sure you have this enabled, and now you have this cool experimental feature that's coming out in the future for the Quest 3. Now, if you like to quickly switch from controller tracking and hand tracking, of course you could put your controller down, but if that doesn't work for you, you could on-demandly just allow this thing to switch. By simply tapping your controller twice like so, it will immediately switch to hand tracking. How cool is that? To enable this, make sure you have this feature enabled in case it's not working for you. You need to go into your system settings and go into motion tracking, and right here you'll find it, and you should be able to make sure it's enabled. Moving along, if you ever experienced the pass-through mode flickering whenever you have a light or something turned on like this video, if that's you, there's a simple fix to this. All you gotta do is just go into your console settings. Quest 3 technically is a gaming console. But go into settings, go into system, and then where it says headset tracking, click on here, tracking flickering to 50 or 60 hertz. And experiment with these two and see if that will eliminate your problem. Now let's be real, when gaming in mixed reality is super fun, but if the walls around you are pretty close to you, it can be very distracting when you see the Guardian walls as you're gaming, especially when screen recording. If you like to disable this, it's easy and it's possible. First of all, I'm not gonna say go into a room environment that has less walls or the walls are further out. That's really lame and pointless. You wanna have the Guardian turn off completely. What you gotta do is first put your device on developer mode. If you haven't yet set up your account, it's literally easy, it's straightforward. You will need to be on the computer because you are required to go to dashboard.oculus.com, and then you will need to sign into your Oculus account. And then right here, you'll see a page that prompts you to create an organization. Make it anything you want, could be your gamer tag, and just check mark, I agree with the terms and conditions. And then you may need to verify your account either with your credit card or your set up two-factor authentication. But once you do that on your mobile device, just select your VR headset and go into settings, and where it says developer mode, enable this. And now once you do this, go into your Quest settings and go into system, and in developer, and look for a boundary and just disable it. And now the Guardian walls are completely gone. Just be cautious and try not to crash or smack into a wall or something like that. But when you have mixed reality enabled, you're seeing the walls in real life. And if you think putting your account in developer mode is a bit too much, which I totally can understand, you can also try the other method and just manually override the Guardian and just draw the outline super far away past the walls. This way you can actually continue recording in pass-through mode if you wish, and also this is also a clever way to eliminate the Guardian from interfering your mixed reality gameplay experience as well. Now, a lot of people tend to always forget about this, but you could actually pin 3 of your top played apps on the little toolbar right here on your Quest 3. Just go in your library of many different games, tap on these 3 little dot icon right here, and pin right here. And now it'll be easy for you to find instead of having to actually launch the whole app library of things. And to undo, just repeat the process. Now, a low power mode is available for the Quest 3, but this does lower the texture resolution and will also somewhat lower the performance of the Quest 3. But if you need to squeeze an extra 30 minutes under a single charge, this is how you do so. Launch your Quest settings and go into system and go into power, and right here you'll find the new low power mode. Now, if whatever said reason your VR headset's acting funny and you want to reboot it, turn off the VR headset forcefully, or maybe factory reset it, it is Android and it does have access to the Android override menu. And to have access to this, so first you need to make sure that your VR headset is turned off. Then once your VR headset is fully turned off, just hold down the negative volume button as well as the power button, like 1 second, and then you'll get to this screen. I'm using my smartphone to capture this, but here you have the capability to boot your device information, factory reset, sideload update or power off completely. And you'll just navigate using the volume rocker, and the power button on side will be your selection button. Now if you have a PlayStation 5, there's a quick easy method to view your PlayStation console in VR. And the steps are as followed.
This is how you use your PlayStation on your Quest. First thing you want to do is plug in your Quest into your PC, and you have to install just one app, which is File Manager Plus. Kept that from up to down. This is normally where I get my APKs, and they're quite clean. Launch SideQuest. Press here to install the APK, and then go to where you downloaded it. So the first app you want to download is the PlayStation app APK. Press latest version. So the next one you want to get is PS Remote Play. Download this one. Search apps, unknown sources. Go to File Manager Plus. Go to Downloads. Go to the PlayStation app first. Install it. Press Install. Done. And then install the next one. Install. Okay, done. First, launch the PS app. Sign in. Okay, sign into your PlayStation. You signed in, just press next, next, next. Next up, launch the PS Remote Play app. Sign in. 5. Press OK. Go to your PlayStation. So go to Settings in your PlayStation. Go to System. And go down to Remote Play. Here, make sure that Remote Play is enabled. And then press Link Device. From your PlayStation to the Quest. Done. So next, turn off your PS5. So next, go to Settings. Go to Devices. And Bluetooth pairing. Hold down the PS button and the share button for a few seconds. So now launch PS Remote Play. Drag the corners like this, whatever size you want. Press OK. Okay. So now you have to press Start and Share to change the control mode. So to add extra menu, you can grab it to the side like this. And then you can launch what? Launch YouTube if you like. So now it's playing here.
So shout out to Lunch and Dinner for making this amazing tutorial for us to easily be able to enjoy our PlayStation 5 on the Quest 3. I'll have his original post also linked in the description down below. And quick PDA, a double tap on right or left side will quickly allow you to switch from pass-through mode as well. And you can repeat the process to go back to your game. Now, if you're wondering what kind of decals I have on my Quest 3, right now we are actually developing a Quest sticker store. So my partner and I, we have a bunch of different styles that we plan on rolling out, and they're all optimized for the Quest 3. So make sure you stick around or keep an eye on the video description down below when that store is officially open. Aside from that, thanks so much for watching. If you'd like to watch more, maybe you're curious what type of accessories I have on my Quest 3, watch that video right over there. Thank you so much for watching.